Hello guys, today I face a very common problem. My ESP32 driver is not showing in the computer. When I connect the ESP32, there is no compo, and because of that I can't upload any code. Now the question is, why does this problem happens? There can be many reasons like missing driver, wrong port or Windows issues, but there is one very big mistake that most people never think about. And the biggest and most common reason is actually the USB cable. Yes, you are right. When the ESP32 board is powered on, we think the cable is okay because we can see the LED is glowing. But the truth is, some USB cables are only for power, not for data. Look, this cable can supply 5-volt power, but they do not have data wires inside. So the board turns on, but computer cannot detect it, driver does not show, and because of that, the code failed to upload. Now, what is the solution? Very easy. The first thing you should always do is change the USB cable. Use a proper data cable, not a charging only cables. Now I will change the USB cable and replace with this one. I think it will be okay. Now I will just connect this terminal with my computer. Okay, we are looking that my device is now showing in the port section of the device manager, and we are looking that this device got COM11 COM port. So guys, I think all of you understand that this single step can fix the problem in more than 50% of cases. So I have some pro tips for you. Always use short cable, good quality cable, and cable that came with Arduino or ESP32. Cheap cables are the number one hidden enemy in electronics project. So before installing drivers or reinstalling software, first check your USB cable. It might save you hours of frustration. Thanks for watching this video.